G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode of LEGO Investment Look Back, we are taking a look at the Big Ben. Let's get into it. This is the set here, Big Ben, set number 10253, 4,163 pieces, and it was a part of the Creator Expert theme of LEGO sets. Now, just a quick overview of my history with this set before we dive into how much it's worth, etc. So I did manage to pick up 3 of these before they did retire, and I did get them at 20% off. Now in Australia, this set did retail for $350, in the US it was $250, and in the UK it was £180, so I did get 20% off of 3 of these, meaning I did pay $280 each. So let's get into the shelf life of this set. How long was it actually out for? So we're going to go over to Brick Set, like we always do. Here we go here. And as we can see, the set was released in July of 2016, and it did retire at the end of 2018, meaning it was out for about 2.5 years, give or take a month or two. So about 2.5 years, which is usually about that average runtime for the bigger sets. So not too shabby of a runtime. So now let's get into the actual value of this set. Now remember, this is Australian dollars, so it was retailed for $350, so let's have a look. So on Bricklink, we can see that the last 6 months sales are averaging at about $535. Now obviously we have to take into consideration the fees, which are 6% on Bricklink, 3 for Bricklink, 3 for PayPal. So after fees, it brings it to about $503, so anywhere between $500 and $510, you could say. And we can see here in July so far they've sold for an average of pretty much $560, and same again for June. So it has had a little bit of an increase, but we just go the last 6 months just to keep it easy. So we just say $535, so about a $500 you'll be getting in your pocket after fees on Bricklink. And if we go over to eBay, we can see that we have had a few sold. We've got one sold for $565 with 40 postage, $570. This one here sold for a bit less because it was a bid. That's what usually happens with auctions. $414, $570, $660, $650, $515, $740, $600. So they are all over the joint, but if you tally up and come out to an average, it's usually around like $650 on eBay. You'll probably get brand new sealed in box. And after that, so tallying in postage, because you'd probably get $650 free postage, and postage would probably cost you about $30. So $650 after fees would be about $550. Take out your fee, probably get around that $520. So anywhere between, I'd say, $500 and $520 is the money you're going to get in your pocket from selling Big Ben at this current stage. Obviously, you may sell it for less, you may sell it for more, just depends. But this is just an average coming from eBay and also Bricklink. Now let's get into the return on investment calculator and chuck in our details. So I have put the dates here just for the retirement date and today's date being July 22. So I'm going to start with the retail price at $350, and if we sold it for around that $520, which you'll probably currently get if you sell it on Bricklink and eBay after fees, and we can see that your return on investment is going to be 48.57%, $170 profit, which it averages out to about 11% growth per year. So it hasn't gone the best, but let's go and check out what I would be earning if I sold my 3. We can see that my investment gain would be $240 with a return on investment of 85%, which is an average of about 19% each year for the last 3.5 years. So it's finally cracked that 80% mark, and as I always say, I like to hold on to my sets as short as possible and aim for that 80% to 100% return on investment, usually after 12 to 18 months, but bigger sets usually tend to take a little bit longer, like this one has. But anyway, that was an investment look back for LEGO Big Ben. If you did enjoy the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let me know down below if you invested in this set, or if you have picked it up after it retired maybe, and if you do like any other sets in this range as well. But anyway, leave your thoughts down below into any more investment look backs you do want me to do, and I'll get that out as soon as I can, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.